So we will call our next keynote speaker, Miss Fatima Zahra. Ms. Fatima Zahra is a doctoral researcher specializing in educational technology at University of Morocco. She is currently working on her PhD focusing on the management of communication tools in e-learning through an LMS platform. So I would like to call Ms. Fatima Zahra.
My name is Fatima Zahra Ouariach from Morocco. I'm doctoral researcher in education technology. My research aims to design an educational architecture for communication tools in the specific context of online learning using LMS platform. In addition, my academic work, I have experience as a reviewer for prestigious publication house as Hindawi and Under Science and EG Global. Furthermore, I made valuable contribution as member of the jury for interviews at ICETI University. It's a pleasure to be with you at this first international conference on emerging trends and innovation. Thank you, Dr. Ina, for your invitation. It means a lot. Our presentation focuses on exploring communication and communication tools for e-learning. In the following plan, we will look at definition communication and what means e-learning, what the tools of online learning, for online communication tools in e-learning, finally conclusion. Introduction. The rise of e-learning has revolutionized education driven by technology advancements and the need for flexible learning. Effective communication is vital for successful online education, fostering engagement, collaboration, and knowledge exchange. Communication tools and platforms offer diverse ways to connect in the virtual learning environments. Exploring communication in e-learning and understanding the role of tools are crucial for effective online education, bridging the gap between learners and teachers. This presentation examines communication importance for teachers and learners online learning, challenge and available tools to facilitate effective communication. The first one, definition of communication. What means communication? What means classic communication in e-learning? The definition of communication refers to the process of exchange, transmission, information, idea, and feeling between individuals or groups. It allows the transmission and the receipt of message through various channels, such as verbal or non-verbal means to convey meaning and establish understanding. Effective communication encompasses not only to transfer information, but also the ability to listen, interpret, and respond appropriately. A vital role in human interaction, fostering connection, building relationships, and facilitating sharing knowledge and experience. Compared with the traditional communication method, internet-based communication can information synchronously. The advantage of communication. The first one is information transfer. Communication enables people to share information, idea, opinion, and knowledge. This promotes the dissemination of knowledge. Relationship building. Communication is essential for developing and maintaining personal or professional relationship, as well improving mutual understanding. Decision making enable individuals and groups to exchange essential information and discuss possibility. Communication facilitates decision making. Self-expression. Communication gives people a means of communicating their emotion, needs, and opinion. It encourages self-expression. The limits of communication. Noise and distortion. Communication can be distorted by noise, misunderstanding, and distortion and leading. The second one, cultural and linguistic barrier. Cultural and linguistic difference can hinder understanding and effective communication between individuals or groups. Non-verbal Much communication is non-verbal, meaning that gesture, facial expression, and other signs plays an important role. Manipulation. Communication can also be used in manipulating to influence other distances. E-learning. What means e-learning? E-learning encompasses various definition and interpretation. It has evolved from fully online course to use of technology for the learning course regardless of time or location. The European Commission defined e-learning as the use of multimedia technologies and the internet to enhance learning through distance communication and collaboration. Different research provide the own definition, which some consider any learning facilitated electronically, while others focus on digital technologies or internet-based learning. The term e-learning is used interchangeably with distributed learning, online distance learning, and blended learning in these environments for managing and utilizing applications of e-learning. We have lots of tools of e-learning, but I choose the importance of e-learning. I choose the three tools. The first one, curriculum. The second one, digital library tools. The three one, knowledge representation. The first one, curriculum tools. I use it in high schools and for material as selected and organized classroom activity. Additional tools such as discussion forums and online quiz are integrated to facilitate collaboration and assessment. A typical business course of three elements. The first element, pedagogical tools and management and student tools. The second one, digital library tools. Digital library tools help users find the right information in a wide range of digital documents. Digital library function often include searching, browsing, and discovering special collection or on collection. Knowledge representation tools are a great help to learners, enabling them to visually examine, capture, or develop knowledge. However, this approach often fails to establish the relationship between the concept and skills converted into one course and thus converted into another. What's more, it fails to show the knowledge that a basic tool of the learner will have acquired by the end of the art of the course of study. Advantage of e-learning. The first one, study anytime, anywhere. The biggest advantage of online learning is that you can study anytime, anywhere as you like. No matter where in the country you live, you can take the course and start learning. Save a lot of money. The cost associated with a distance learning degree, online or otherwise, can be considerably more affordable than a traditional on-campus degree. Students looking of economically viable option can therefore choose a distance learning program. Time saving. That's there's no time with students traveling or university, waiting for a bus or a child. In a distance learning program, your classroom is right in your room with study material on your desk or electronic resource on your computer. Flexibility of choice. Learners are usually given a fixed learning schedule when they opt for traditional learning methods. When learners study in a traditional classroom, they may be forced to move at a faster pace than they would like. The limit of e-learning. No social interaction. Learners often find themselves studying alone in distance learning, which can lead to a sense of isolation and lack of physical social interaction that usually accompany classroom attendance. High chance of distraction. In the absence of face-to-face interaction with the teacher and classmates, how can serve a constant reminder for the pending assessment? The higher chance of getting distraction and losing track of deadlines. Complicated technology, as Brown explained 2017, any student wishing to enroll in the distance learning program must invest a variety of equipment such as computer, webcam, and stable internet connection. Online communication tools. This section looks at some of the true online communication tools. So we have two tools of online communication. The first one, synchronous and asynchronous communication tools that can be used to create a complete and rich learning experience. Online communication tools refer to the various software, application, and platform used to facilitate remote communication. They enable people to communicate, collaborate, and exchange information in the real time. This online communication tools can be found in LMS platforms, so learning management systems such as Moodle and ELearning and Chameleon. Communication tools can be divided into categories: synchronous and asynchronous communication tools. The first one synchronous communication tools are means or patterns that facilitate in the real-time interaction between your teachers and learners. But asynchronous tools to the exchange information over the internet with a time delay. So with a time delay as you like, you can connect it with your teachers and learners. Synchronous tools. We have a lot of asynchronous tools, but I choose the importance of LMS, learning management system. I choose example of Moodle. Donc, the first tool, online meeting. An online meeting tool in a platform or software that enable user organize remote meeting or conference or work session using real-time communication technology. Second, video conferencing. Tools refer to software or platform that enable users to participate in online meeting, conference, or discussion using real-time video and audio. Application sharing and application sharing tools refer to software or functionality that allow users to share their screen or specific application with other parties. This enable user to present the other one, virtual whiteboard. A virtual whiteboard refers to an application or feature that enable user to collaborate and interact on a digital workspace, similar to a traditional whiteboard. This tool enables users to draw, write, share ideas, and work together in real time. Asynchronous tools. The first one, forum. A forum tool in online platform or software that enable users to participate in discussion and exchange information on specific topic. Forum provide a virtual space where users can post messages and ask questions, share opinion, and interact with other community members. Email is an electronic mail in application or service enabling users to send and receive and store electronic message. Email offer a convenient method of writing communication. So we have to writing communication via the internet. User can compose message, send them to one or more people, then receive reply and their inbox. Wiki tool is a collaborative platform. So the tools wiki tools for collaborate with your with